How do I get rid of privet that's taken over my land? This is from Robin in Byhalia, Mississippi. Don't we know a little bit about privet?
Oh my God, we know more than we want to know probably.
Privet is tough. It's on the invasive list.
It is tough. We brought it into this country and as an ornamental and
yeah, back in the 1800s, and it has taken over.
Gone crazy. Yeah. You can, you know, privet pulling is good on, especially on small privet, but it's not easy to pull a big privet.
No, sure not. Extensive root system, I tell you.
You know, herbicides are as good a way to go as any, and there's several out there that will work on privet, on small privet. You know, you can mow it down and use, you know, mechanical means.
Okay.
And pulling and mowing and all that on small stuff is one way to take care of it. But and mowing might take care of a seedling, with, you know, privet that came up from the seed. But if it's you know, coming from a root, you know, rhizome or something like that, mowing's not going to take care of it. It's going to keep coming back. And glyphosate, repeated applications of glyphosate. Will do you some good. Then there's a remedy. There's a product that's listed for privet, I think. Okay. I've pulled off a couple of publications. One from Tennessee, Smith County, Tennessee, entitled "The Privet Problem."
The privet problem.
Yeah. And that's online. I found that, and the recommendation they have is Triclopyr.
Okay.
And that is remedy.
Right.
Triclopyr is a basal bark treatment, and you can cut it down and treat the stump with that, and then
and you can do the same thing with glyphosate too, right? Just cut the basal application.
And you probably need a stronger solution than a 3% solution on the stump. You know, you use a 1-to-1 solution or something like that if you're going to do that with the glyphosate. But this is a publication from, this is a UT publication also, Greg Armel,
Greg, okay.
Who's with BASF now. But this is another UT publication that talks about privet control that might be of use to you. And Imazapyr is product that Greg recommends, and this is probably a newer product, but they also basically say cut the plant down to the ground, treat the stump that you cut. So you know, basically with both the remedy and the Imazapyr, you've got to cut the plant, you've got to prune it off, and you know,
and then treat the stump.
Trunk. But I would try the glyphosate first. I've had luck with glyphosate in my place. But sometimes it takes more than one application.
Yeah, it's going to be a repeated application.
Right.
Yeah, privet is tough. There's no doubt about that.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.